The Sony A7V takes a leap forward in video performance, offering full-frame 8K/24p recording and ultra-sharp oversampled 4K/60p. This upgrade places it directly into the filmmaking tier alongside flagship models, a massive step up from the A7iV's 4K cap. The 8K feed not only enables cinematic output but also empowers filmmakers with oversampled 4K and 4K HDR options during post-production, unlocking richer color gradation, sharper definition, and improved editing flexibility. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Replacing Sony's previous 33MP sensor, the A7V employs a brand new full-frame sensor with enhanced readout speed, dynamic range, and noise control. While rumors differ on resolution, reliable sources suggest a high-resolution BSI design for clean low-light performance and robust. Users can expect sharper stills and smoother video across a broad ISO spectrum. Sony adds a dedicated AI processing unit beneath the hood, replicating the system in the A7RV. This module drives real-time recognition AF that tracks humans, animals, including birds and insects, and even vehicles with impressive accuracy. It brings intelligent subject locking that's both faster and more precise, ideal for action, wildlife, and unpredictable shooting scenarios. Complementing video upgrades, the new sensor readout, speed, dramatically cuts rolling shutter artifacts during panning or handheld movements. Early chatter from r/Sony Alpha notes the A7V focuses on sensor speed and AI. Exactly the fix pro videographers have requested combined with 8K. This means clean cinematic shots even in dynamic shooting conditions. Building on the A7RV's innovative design, the A7V inherits a 4-axis flip and tilt touchscreen, marrying the flexibility of a vari-angle screen with enhanced stability. This approach aids vlogging, low-angle creativity, and overhead framing, without risking mount strain or shake, giving content creators more confidence when shooting on the go. Internal sources suggest upgraded IBIS matching or approaching 8 stops of correction, akin to 4 shaky footage or handheld stills. This is a major improvement. Whether on a gimbal or freehand, expect razor-sharp results even with slow shutter speeds or non-stabilized lenses. Sony's real-time recognition AF now covers a broader range of subjects: humans, cats, dogs, birds, insects, cars, trains, and planes. It stays locked even if the subject faces away, enhancing reliable eye/body tracking across scenarios. Both wildlife shooters and run-and-gun video creators will appreciate this step up. Thanks to an updated chassis and internals, the A7V can shoot unlimited 8K/24p and 4K/60p without overheating. This marks a substantial improvement over earlier models that throttled after prolonged recording, making it a practical tool for long-form interviews, events, and cinematic work. Building on the A7iV's capabilities, the A7V continues to provide a fast 1/8000S mechanical shutter option and equally rapid silent electronic shutter. This allows fast action capturing and high-speed flash sync combined with AI-enhanced autofocus for sharper images of sports, wildlife, and busy scenes. The A7V UPS storage flexibility with a dual-slot configuration supporting CF Express Type A, and this hybrid setup enables high-speed